Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial guys, and I'm going to show you on how to resolve the Windows was unable to transfer some files Bluetooth. So this error have variety of factors. Bluetooth is not correctly linked, something has interfered with Bluetooth connections, and something is wrong with the device. And then I'll show you some method to fix it. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to run the Bluetooth troubleshooters. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And here search for app, so just type this keyword troubleshoot settings. And i-click mo lang dito yung open. And then dito lang sa troubleshoots, and under dito sa options, then you need to select other troubleshooters. So itap mo lang yan. And dito sa most frequent, under nito, and dito lang sa others, ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung Bluetooth. And then dito sa right side, then you need to tap this run. And wait natin na ma-direct tayo sa help and support. And once na-open mo na dito yung Bluetooth help and support, so ang gagawin natin dito is to follow lang yung step-by-step procedures, and lahat ng informations detail ay nandito siya kung paano natin i-fix yung problems. So you need to follow this method and procedures. So after dito, and the other solutions na pwede natin gawin is to scan for Bluetooth changes. So all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter R on your keyboard. Pagsabayin mo lang yan. And once na-open mo na dito yung run, so dito lang sa box ay kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung command keyword na DAB mgmt.msc. So just type this command keyword DAB mgmt.msc. That is one word. So this is the keyboard shortcut of device manager. And next step, so you need to tap this OK. And once na-open mo na dito yung device manager, so in the next step, you need to select this Bluetooth. And i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan para mag-expand. And then next step, so you need to select the Bluetooth device. So select and right click. And then next step, so you need to select scan for hardware changes. So itap mo lang yan. And wait natin to complete. Okay, so once it complete, so you need to close this device manager, and dito lang sa start menu, and you need to restart. So tap only this restart. So after here, if the error still persists, and the next solutions we will do is to restart the Bluetooth service. So all you have to do is to open up on the search menu, and here search for apps. So you need to type services. And then, click mo lang dito yung open. So, once it open this services, so here services local, and here right sides. So, you need to locate this Bluetooth support service. So, scroll down, and then you need to find this Bluetooth support service. So, all you have to do is to click and double click. And dito sa general properties, so, dito lang sa service status and dito sa running, so kailangan mo lang itap dito yung stop and wait natin, and click mo lang dito yung yes. And then after that, so here service status, and again, you need to tap this start and wait natin. Alright, so after that, then click apply, and click mo lang dito yung okay. And then close lang natin tong services. And dito lang sa start menu, and you need to restart again. Okay, so tap restart. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix Windows was unable to transfer some files Bluetooth. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.